Yeah, buddy! How did you effing no. I love you, baby.
I love
Me. Wee! Are we allowed? We're super loud. We're super loud. It's just like, yeah, the exercise. My heart is pounding right now. I feel like I have to escape a booby trap.
You got your keys?
No.
Yeah.
Yeah, let me get some air in here, though, okay?
I didn't give you the keys. So I gave you the keys. There they go.
Please. Zipper up everywhere. Because I see also your lighter's about to fall out of the front. No hasty moves, baby. You got my visa, you got everything in there, so we gotta.
Just put the stuff on the back.
We got it. Let's do it. That was fun. You just reach us. Can you grab? I'll get the tension right. I think I've got that. Fair enough. And it's a lot of clear you don't care. Ugly shit. I couldn't do anything about it. I didn't go. Watch him run back to his post. Did you see that?
Yeah.
Why didn't that make sound? Why didn't that make a sound? Did you hear that?
Yeah.
The key didn't make a sound in that hole. That's not normal, right?
Yeah.
That's not good.